dropshipping is dead in 2025. So unless your goal is to stay broke, then you should probably stay the hell away from dropshipping. Now, if it's the first time you see me and you're wondering why you should listen to me, my name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars per day online in profit. So I do know a thing or two about making money online. Now, when it comes to dropshipping, I decided to start my own online store with a buddy back when I was still in high school. We spied on the competition and found a brand new product, a flat squeeze mop at the time. I'm not joking. And they suddenly started pushing more and more on Facebook ads. So we basically took that product because we figured if they were spending so much money on ads for that one product, surely they wouldn't be doing that unless that thing was selling like crazy. And I guess we were right, because we made our first sale in 30 minutes of launching our ads. We felt like we struck gold, but 1 week later, I was stressed, broke, and totally burnt out. Imagine you want to make money online. Someone tells you, hey, just find a product, make a website, and sell it without even touching it. That's what people call dropshipping. Sounds cool, right? You don't need a warehouse, you don't need to buy anything up front like inventory, like you would with Amazon FBA. You just find something cheap, put it on your store, and when someone buys it, a supplier ships it for you. Is that easy money? It looks like it, but it's not even close. Let me explain why we lost money, and why the same thing is probably going to happen to you, or will happen very soon. And if you genuinely think that, oh no, you're different and you won't be spared, let me tell you that I've spoken to hundreds of people who wanted to become financially free through an online business. And most of them have tried dropshipping and failed miserably. And out of the ones that succeeded, well, some of them didn't even make a profit. And those who did only kept 5 to 20% out of every dollar they made. So it's really not that much. When I started dropshipping, I thought I was smart. I picked a trendy product, made a store, and boom, my phone buzzed. A stranger bought something only after 30 minutes of launching my ads. And I had no experience running ads. It was crazy, but I checked how much I made. They paid $50. I had to give around half of that to the supplier. Then I paid ads, and after that, I was left around with maybe $5. That's like selling lemonade all day just to buy one cookie. And that's if everything goes perfectly, but it never does. Let's say the product takes 3 weeks to ship. Well, that customers who just bought from you, what they're going to do is that they're going to email you 5 times asking where their package is. Then they might leave a bad review or demand a refund, even though the product is on its way. And you can't control any of it. You don't ship it, you don't see it, you don't touch it. You don't even know if it's going to show up. So now you're just stuck in the middle. Customers are mad. The supplier doesn't care. And you're the one cleaning up the mess. That's not freedom. That's babysitting. Now, let's talk about the money again. Let's say you want to make $10,000 in a month. Sounds good, right? Well, if you make $5 per order, you need to sell 2,000 products in 30 days. That's about 70 sales per day, every day. That means 70 orders, 70 chances for something to go wrong. You're not relaxing, you're dealing with problems all day, every day. And guess what happens if your product starts doing well? All the people are going to copy it. It's very easy, honestly. And it happens fast. I mean, you can't copy other people's winning products to make a quick buck and then not expect all the other dropshippers to do the exact same thing with you. They find the exact same product, undercut your price, run more ads, and now you're stuck in a price war. It's like selling ice cream at the beach and suddenly 5 other people show up with the same flavor, the same product, but cheaper. Now you either lower your prices or lose your customers. It runs into a race to make less and less and less money until you just make no money at all. That's not business, that's survival. And here's something else nobody tells you. You don't own your store. Not really. Your traffic comes from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. If one of those platforms bans your account or changes the algorithm, you're paying more per customer, suddenly you're done. Just like that. No sales, no visitors, nothing. That happened to me. Facebook shut me down for no reason. I tried appealing, but I got no answer. My sales disappeared overnight. It felt like the floor fell out from under me because I didn't have a real business. I just had a fragile little system that stopped working the second someone else flipped a switch. You're depending on too many things you don't control, and that is a recipe for disaster. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Now, let's talk about something that's way more important than money. Your energy, your peace of mind. When I was dropshipping, I couldn't relax, ever. Every time my phone dinged, I would jump. Was it a sell, a complaint, a refund, my ads getting blocked? I was checking numbers all day every day, watching ad performance, responding to emails at 2 in the morning. It felt like I was working non-stop, but not getting anywhere. And then it hit me. I wasn't building anything real. I wasn't learning deep skills. I wasn't building an audience. I wasn't helping people. I was just flipping cheap products and hoping the math worked. That's when I realized dropshipping isn't a real business. It's just a digital vending machine work. You're moving boxes from one person to another, and if you stop, the money stops coming in. That's not freedom. That's a hamster wheel. So I asked myself, what if I did the opposite? What if I stopped selling random stuff and started solving real problems? What if I used what I already know, my own life experience, to help someone else? That's when I made the switch. It's called the PTP method, passion to profit. Let me explain it simply. You take something you've already figured out, or something you're willing to figure out. Maybe you lost weight. Maybe you fixed your sleep. Maybe you beat anxiety. Maybe you learned how to get a job or make money or get confident. And don't worry if you don't know any of these things. You can still get started with no previous experience. But that thing you figured out, someone else is still stuck on it. Now you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of them. Now imagine helping that person, walking them through the solution. Maybe you do it on Zoom. Or maybe you make a little guide or a course. You help them get real results. And because you're solving a real problem, they're happy to pay you. I'm not talking about $20 or $50 or even $100. They will pay at least $500 or $1,000 to literally $5,000 or even more, because it depends on what you sell and it matters to them. And now, instead of making $2 profit per sale, you're making almost everything, up to 95% profit. You don't need ads to get started. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need a supplier. All you need is your brain, your heart, and a little bit of structure. Let's go back to the numbers again. With dropshipping, to make $10,000 per month, you would need 2,000 orders. But with the PTP method, if you charge $1,000 per client, and that's the low end, you only need 10 clients. 10 clients, that's it. Now think about that. Which one sounds easier, more peaceful, more meaningful? 10 people you help deeply, or 2,000 random transactions for junk people forget about, with 2,000 potential problems along the way? With dropshipping, people buy something and bother you or forget about it completely. With the PTP method and high-ticket sales, people remember you. They tell friends, they send referrals, they thank you, they come back. That's not just more money, that's more impact. With dropshipping, to make $10,000 per month, you need to sell around 2,000 items. That is a mountain of work. That's 2,000 chances for delays, refunds, or angry customers. Now, with the PTP method, you're not selling junk. You're offering a transformation, real help. And that means you can charge real prices. $1,000 is actually the lowest we aim for. In most cases, your offer should be $2,000, $3,000, even $4,000 or $5,000 or more. It depends on what you're offering and who you're helping. But let's keep it simple. If your offer is $2,000, you only need 5 clients to make $10,000 per month. Just 5. And here's the best part. Most of that money is profit. You're not splitting it with a supplier. You're not dumping it all into ads. You're not losing sleep over shipping times. It's clean, it's simple. It's real business. You're building something valuable that actually gives you freedom instead of chasing tiny profits and constant problems like you do with dropshipping. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Now, I know what you're thinking, but dropshipping is easier to start. It's less scary and I don't have to talk to people. And yeah, maybe that's how it feels at first. But it's a trap, because what feels easier is actually way harder long term. You think you're avoiding the scary stuff, like putting yourself out there or charging premium prices, but you're trading it for chaos, stress, late nights, low profits, constant fires to put out. You think you're choosing the simple option, but you're choosing the hard life. Solving real problems for real people is actually simpler. Here's how you do it. Step 1, ask yourself, what problems have I already solved in my own life, big or small? Step 2, go talk to people with the same problem. Understand how they feel, what they've tried, what they want. Step 3, build a simple offer to help them. Doesn't have to be fancy, just something that gets results. Step 4, help them one-on-one. Get results, learn what works, refine it, and then you can turn it into a digital product. Now step 5, once it's working, then you can scale. Use systems, use tools, use automation, but start small, start real. And here's what's amazing about it. You become the asset, not the supplier, not the store, not the product. You're not just some store owner anymore. You're a problem solver, a guide, a real business owner. You don't rely on TikTok trends or Facebook ads to survive. You create value with your own two hands and your own brain. And every person you help adds more to your brand, your confidence, and your income. That's how you become financially free and even rich in 2025. Not by chasing fads, not by selling forgettable junk, but by building something that actually matters. More income, more impact, more freedom, no more stress, no more begging supplies, no more refunds over broken garbage. You stop being just a middleman. You start being the reason people's lives get better. And once you taste that, you will never want to go back. Now, I know that a minority of people are going to take action and stop at nothing to win. If that's you, then click on the link in the description below, because I've made a video where I explain how I've made more than $1,000 in a single day with my business working from home. Most of it is profit. And right now, we're also offering a few free strategy calls with me or a member of my team to help you come up with a custom game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick, because we have limited spots and they fill up extremely quick. And soon, we'll probably take that video down. So click on the link in the description below. And with that being said, I'll see you on the other side.